Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw with BorgBackup repositories on Hetzner VPS. First, ensure your Hetzner VPS is running and accessible. Connect to your VPS using SSH. Enter your username and password when prompted. Verify that BorgBackup is installed by typing Borg version. If not installed, you'll need to install it using your package manager. Once BorgBackup is confirmed, locate your repository. Make sure you know the path to your BorgBackup repository. Change to the directory of your repository using the command cd/path/to/your/repo. Check the contents of the repository with the command Borg list. Identify the backup you wish to withdraw. To extract a backup, use the command Borg extract/path/to/your/repo name_of_backup. Replace name_of_backup with the actual name of the backup you want. You may need to enter your passphrase if the repository is encrypted. Watch for the progress messages as the extraction process begins. Once the extraction is complete, check the destination directory. Your files should now be available for use. If you encounter any errors, review the messages displayed for troubleshooting. Once verified, you can safely log out of your VPS. To close the SSH session, type exit. Your files have been successfully withdrawn from the BorgBackup repository on your Hetzner VPS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.